Hello class. In today's video we're going to be practicing skip counting by twos and then using our skip counting knowledge to help us multiply by 2. Right here you see our skip counting pattern that takes us from 2 to 20. This helps us multiply all the numbers between 1 times 2 and 2 times 10. Let's practice counting that skip counting pattern we know from our 2 song. See if you can count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You can also tap it out as you count. Sometimes a rhythm helps you remember skip counting easier. Like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, let's use that skip counting to help us multiply. 0 times 2. You'll notice I don't have any touch points on the 0. That's because any number times 0 is 0. There's a saying that helps me remember this. 0's a hero. He always wins. Any number times 0 is 0. 1 times 2. I see 1 touch point. But rather than counting like 1 when we're adding or subtracting, when we're multiplying by 2, we count by 2's. So I touch the touch point and count by 2's. 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1's a friend. She lets the other number in. Any number times 1 is that number. 2 times 2. I see 2 touch points, so I'm going to count by 2's 2 times. 2, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2. 2, 4, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Using our skip counting chart, see if you can do 4 times 2 as I touch the touch points. Did you get 8? Let's try it together. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Let's keep going together. 5 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Or 5 times 2 is 10. Doesn't matter the order of the factors. If 5 times 2 is 10, then 2 times 5 also equals 10. Let's try 6 times 2. If you need help skip counting with me, just look right here and use the skip counting chart. 6 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Did you notice that I was tapping double touch points? So I tapped each one twice. Watch again as I tap it out twice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2. Let's keep tapping and counting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2. We've got 4 double touch points. So we're going to tap it out 8 times because we've got 8 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 9 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 9 times 2 is 18. If tapping on the touch points is a little confusing, you can also use your hands to help you keep track as you skip count. Here's 5 times 2. So I have 5 fingers. As I count by 2's, I'll put my fingers down. That helps me stay on track and only skip count 5 times since it's 5 times 2. Like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2. 2 fingers, count by 2's. 2, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 9 times 2. I've got 2 hands, 5 on one, 4 on the other. Let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 9 times 2 is 18. 1 times 2. Hold up one finger, count by 2's. 2. One's a friend. She lets the other number in. 1 times 2 is 2. And the last one, I'm going to use touch points. That's my way. But the great thing about math is you use the strategy that's most helpful for you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Keep practicing your skip counting until you have this memorized. That way you learn those facts and become automatic and fluent. Good luck and goodbye.